The Guinness Storehouse in Dublin, Ireland is the #1 attraction. Buy your tickets online and enter. It's normally fully booked. Make sure your ID is on you, please will be checked about 4 times. You enter with a group during your time slot, and there's a little tour that happens in the middle, and it tells you about several things. It's quite hard to hear though. In the ferry centre, you're supposed to look at this and see the signature. Follow the sign that says, "The journey begins here." There are QRs along the way where you can find out more information.
Over the years, we've perfected the art of roasting at St. James's Gate. We roast at exactly 232 degrees. Any higher, the barley catches fire. Any lower, the beer will develop its unique
Everyone is crowding around these iPads. They are dotted around and it has lots of information. We can see photos and films. You can't fast forward the films though. They show you the freshly roasted barley. And from here you can walk along and you find the brewing process. We're going to move on to the fermentation.
degrees centigrade. The yeast will only be used for a maximum of 8 subsequent brews before it becomes exhausted, and a new yeast starter will need to be propagated.
We finally reached the map so you can see what's on each floor. You can start from the top and work your way down, but it is better to go in order. Right next to this map is this game. You have to move this ball to see a reaction time, so how you are moving properly and how it would react if you were to drink. This section is the most busiest part because there's only one little entrance and exit. It looks really cool, it's got all the barrels and it's got lots of information. On the inside section, there are videos that you can watch. In the barrels, you can look at the things on the walls, and also on the edge where the factory work is. It's almost impossible to actually walk around because everyone stood in the way. This is probably the most uncomfortable section of this door. Then the final part of this first floor is just this little section here with a cafe. Then I'm going to head upstairs. They recently added the tasting rooms. So as soon as you go inside, there are 4 little basins and they all have a different scent. Here, they give you a sample of the Guinness, which you take into a different room to drink. The next floor is the wonderful world of Gilroy. Tick, followed, tock, followed, tick. Tock, followed, tock, followed, tick.
Tip like that is a big wave from 1981 where every
Next floor is really cool, but you have to book it in advance. You bake your own drink and then you get your face printed on it. There's also a food floor that only opens at 12. The 6th floor is just stairs to the gravity bar. It's about 10 AM, which is off peak, but still very busy. Grab your free drink, it can also be non-alcoholic. Return your audio guide at the bottom if you got one earlier. Before leaving, check out the store. As you leave, you can find out some more information or collect any luggage you may have left here. Information on the website is incorrect. I had to carry my luggage all around and it was very heavy. They only accept the 23 kg or heavier suitcases. Before exiting, you can also refill your water bottle. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!